12 health benefits of olive oil you never knew. Liquid gold for your health. Are you tired of the same old eat your greens advice? Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of olive oil, a kitchen staple that's more than just a tasty addition to your meals. Get ready to discover 12 surprising health benefits of this liquid gold that you never knew existed. Number 1. Heart Health Hero. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to lower the risk of heart disease. By replacing saturated fats with olive oil in your diet, you can help keep your ticker in top shape. They help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and boost good cholesterol, HDL, keeping your heart happy and healthy. Plus, olives are a natural source of antioxidants that fight inflammation, another major risk factor for heart disease. Number 2. Brain Booster. The healthy fats in olive oil aren't just good for your heart, they're also great for your brain. Studies have shown that olive oil consumption may help improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Olives are packed with healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats like oleic acid. These fats are like little VIPs for your brain, helping with memory, focus, and even reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Number 3. Mighty Micronutrients. Olive oil are a treasure trove of essential vitamins and minerals. We're talking vitamin A for good vision, vitamin K for blood clotting, and copper for energy production. These tiny powerhouses pack a punch when it comes to micronutrients, giving your body the building blocks it needs to function at its best. Number 4. Antioxidant Powerhouse. Packed with antioxidants like vitamin E and phenolic compounds, olive oil helps fight oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Olive oil doesn't just boost your good cholesterol levels, it also helps lower the bad stuff. Its anti-inflammatory properties help prevent plaque buildup in your arteries, keeping your blood vessels clear and healthy. Number 5. Weight Management Wonder. Contrary to popular belief, olive oil can actually aid in weight loss. Its healthy fats help you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and promoting satiety. Plus, it adds flavor to your meals without piling on the calories. Number 6. Digestive Dynamo. Olive oil is gentle on the digestive system, promoting better digestion and nutrient absorption. Olives are a good source of dietary fiber, which keeps your digestive system running smoothly. They also promote the growth of good gut bacteria, which are essential for overall health and can even help boost your immune system. It can even help alleviate symptoms of conditions like acid reflux and gastritis. Number 7. Wrinkle Warrior. Thanks to its moisturizing and antioxidant properties, olive oil is a natural skincare superstar. They're rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, which helps fight free radicals that damage skin cells and contribute to wrinkles. It helps hydrate and nourish the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and glowing. Plus, healthy fats in olives can help keep your skin hydrated and plump. So, ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the natural power of olives for a healthy, radiant complexion. Number 8. Bone Strength Supporter. They contain key minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which work together to build and maintain strong bones. Plus, those good fats in olives may also help with bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Olive oil contains compounds that may help increase calcium absorption, promoting stronger bones. Keep those bones strong and sturdy with a drizzle of olive oil. Number 9. Blood Sugar Balancer. Olive oil can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable ally for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Its monounsaturated fats help improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Number 10. Eye Opener. Here's one you might not have heard before: olives can be good for your eyes. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful UV rays and may help prevent age-related macular degeneration. So, the next time you're spending a day at the beach, don't forget to pack a handful of olives. Number 11. Cancer Combatant. The antioxidants found in olive oil have powerful anti-cancer properties, helping to protect against various types of cancer, including breast, colon, and prostate cancer. Incorporating olive oil into your diet may lower your cancer risk. Number 12. Longevity Elixir. Last but not least, olive oil has been linked to longevity. The Mediterranean diet, which is rich in olive oil, is associated with lower rates of chronic diseases and longer lifespans. So pour yourself a glass of olive oil and toast to a long and healthy life. Conclusion: embrace the power of olive oil. From promoting heart health to boosting brain function and beyond, olive oil is truly a powerhouse of health benefits. So why wait? Start incorporating this liquid gold into your diet today and reap the rewards of better health and vitality. Here's to your health. Cheers! If you enjoyed learning about the incredible health benefits of olive oil, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and entertaining content. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.